Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video, I am going to share you what is device enrollment manager and what is the use of. Maybe you heard about many acronyms, right? MDM, DDM, ABM, DEM. So many things are there, right? So being as admin, today in this video, I'm just going to talk about the DEM, right? So, what is DEM? Don't be confused with other MDM, DDM, or AVM or whatever. It's a device enrollment manager, DEM, which is called DEM. So, what is DEM? First, understand, okay? And what is the use of that DEM account, right? How it helps being as an admin to use that, right? So device to use that to use more devices with one account. So as you can see here, device enrollment manager, this is called DEM, right? So you can, what is that? If you want to enroll large quantities of devices using one DEM account, right? So you can enroll up to 1000 devices into using the single account. If you click on this article, it will give you more information which is on Microsoft website. So what is DEM, device enrollment manager, which is a full form? The DEM is non-administrator user who can enroll devices in Intune. I'm not gonna read this one, I'm just showing you. The DEM are useful to have when you need to enroll and prepare many devices for distribution. People sign in with the DEM account can enroll and manage up to 1000 devices. So 1000 devices you can enroll with one DEM account, while a standard normal any account can enroll up to 15 devices, right? As you know, the DEM account require a Intune user and device license and must be associated with the Entra users. So you can enroll. These are there are many limitations with DEM accounts. If you just scroll down, you see the device enrollment can't be used with all the feature in Microsoft Intune, as has some limitations with others, right? You can see Android enterprise devices. If you want to use with the DEM, you can enroll only 10 devices, and it can't be set up with the fully managed and corporate owned. Similar for uh, can't be deployed as available for apps. DEM is not compatible with automated device enrollment. It's also not does not support for AOSP, Android open source project, and there are some all these, like, you must have the device level certificates to manage. So these are the restrictions or limitations uh, is having with the DEM account. So before, and there is a limit for 150 DEM account in Microsoft Intune. So you can and the user base VPN profile don't work with the DEM enrolled devices. These are actually uh, limitations and the use. The use is, what you have to do, you have to create a one day account. Suppose you want to enroll more than 20 devices, right? And in the enrollment restrictions, you can only enroll 50 devices, right? As I can show you here, right? If you go to here, and if you defined how many devices each user can, device limit restrictions, you can, if you have limit, you can only enroll maximum up to 15, right? So here, if you add any account here, right? Suppose let's this one user, and add it. So you see I have added one account here. This is under DEM, right? And you can simply delete. So if you have added account here, right? So using this account you can enroll up to 1000 devices. right? But with some limitation. This is the benefits of using device enrollment manager account. I'm sure you if you are having in your environment shared devices, right? Like if the same devices are being used, or in the retail shop, right, you don't want the devices to be signed with individual accounts, so that you can use that DEM account and you can enroll all the 20, 50, or in a factory, right, wherever you want, you can enroll all those devices with one account. And that is actually very useful. You don't have to get 100 accounts individually, especially in the share environment. So I hope you learn what is the DEM and understand how to use that. It's simply you can download the company portal, sign in with this account, and your devices will get enrolled like normal, as you already know. Till then, thank you. Have a good day, and don't forget and like and share with your friends. Thank you.